Sections of Portland and St. Mary were flooded today following prolonged rainfall. As we hear in this report, climate change and neglect of infrastructure are being blamed. Jamaica Maitland explains.
With blaring blue lights, a police pickup is positioned sideways in the pouring rain along the Huddersfield Main Road in St. Mary Friday to warn motorists. Sections of the roadway were left impassable due to heavy flooding.
Wickedest flood me ever see from me down at 12 years. Place flood out wicked.
Along the Stewarttown Main Road, frustration grew. Floodwaters greeted our news team, not the 2026 welcome from the normally hospitable residents.
Yes, your body is TVJ.
George Eitel says the community needs assistance.
This is the fourth time now I'm flood out, you know. I'm going to ask the Prime Minister for help this time because the fourth time I flood out, nothing. This is the worst one I've seen in 74 years.
Chairman of the St. Mary Municipal Corporation, Fitzroy Wilson, says aside from the intense rainfall, poor management of the soakaway is the reason for the flooding.
Months ago, we would have spoken to the National Works Agency because there's a soakaway there and it is not being maintained. The drainage along the road, major roadway, it is still not cleaned even after the hurricane season and leading up to the hurricane season.
Mr. Wilson, who was leading a team from the corporation during preliminary assessment, says the damage could have been worse if it happened at night. The rain also exposed asphalt from recently paved roads. Pipes and utility poles are also compromised.
You can see all of this, so we don't need a little drainage. So we don't like the court of them to come see it and give us assistance.
In neighboring Portland, similar problems. This woman looks out at her backyard, swallowed by water in Hope Bay. Her laundry hanging on to said hope as it stares at its ghostly reflection in the dirty floodwaters.
There was no water, but as you can see, there's a swamp behind. So I don't know if that's what caused the water to seep in so quickly.
In St. Margaret's Bay, residents were marooned in their own home. Both communities are located close to the Rio Grande. But residents say there is a greater problem.
Mommy said it's happened about 3 times last year. I know this is second day of the year. And the reason why this is happening is because of the condition of the drainage. You understand? The Rio Grande drainage. And people can't live like this. We need somebody to come and take care of the place.
Of concern, too, is the potential for a health crisis.
Leptospirosis is going around. And this is, a lot of children is in the area. I even see kids walking up on the road in this water. There's a lot of bacteria in this. This is crazy because the water brown.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.